Hi, you want the following. You want a good weight loss. You want to alkalinize the pH of your blood. You want a good body detox. You want adequate hydration, but you want healthy skin. You want improved digestion. You want good muscle and joint health. You want improved energy through the day. You want to have improved cardiac health. You want to decrease your reflux. You want to have removal of toxins from your liver. Well, I've got the perfect thing for you. I do give this alkaline water to a lot of my clients, okay? So all you need is a glass of filtered water, okay? And these are cucumber pieces. You just add the cucumber pieces and you add the lemon pieces to the water as shown. You can even add some mint leaves, but that has no role in this. Cucumber is highly alkaline, lemon is highly alkaline, okay? So you keep this in a cool, dry place, usually a refrigerator or an air-conditioned room, overnight for 12 hours. Next day morning, on an empty stomach, have this. Now, what's the best time to have alkaline water, which is homemade? 2 hours prior to a meal, 2 hours after a meal. Do not have this with a meal. One word of caution, people who have renal impairment, that means impaired kidney function, are advised not to have alkaline water. Thanks. If this worked for you, give me a thumbs up.